Have you ever experienced strange occurrences with your Alexa device? Some users have reported hearing creepy noises, like unexplained typing sounds at 3 a.m. Others have shared instances of Alexa questioning their young children or referencing their personal history. These incidents have raised concerns about smart speakers listening to our conversations. As AI technology advances, it's essential to be aware of our device's capabilities and limitations. Stay informed and take control of your digital life.